Hi, I'm Bradley from Bayti Real Estate and welcome to this 4-bedroom townhouse in Furjan West on the market for rent. Downstairs you'll see your first bedroom with an ensuite bathroom. On the left hand side your maid's room, and then also your guest bathroom. Right across from that, you have your laundry.
Thank you.
And then as we go on,
Stand there as well.
you will see you have a
I
beautiful
just don't want
open
to get you
plan
into the video.
kitchen with your open plan living and dining area. Property size is 2,150 square feet and is being rented fully furnished as well. Heading outside, you have a beautiful landscaped garden area. And it's also a corner unit. So let's head upstairs. Upstairs you'll find your living area, family room, and 3 bedrooms, which the first will be the master bedroom. It's a very spacious and large room. Also has a balcony and an ensuite bathroom. Heading to the second upstairs bedroom. It's a bit of a smaller room, and right next to it, your third upstairs bedroom. These 2 bedrooms comes with a shared bathroom upstairs. And this is a very well maintained, well looked after property, as mentioned before as well. It's being rented fully furnished.